Good morning, students. I will revise earlier video and will do some sums on the topic which I taught in earlier video. First in that is d by dx of x is 1. If I write again d by dx of x is 1, isn't it? Now the same d by dx of y is how much? You cannot cancel out, so it remains like that only. That is what I am trying to tell you. Now, if it is d by dx of x square, how much is it? 2x. Same thing, d by dx of y square, how much is it? You will assume it to be x. X square differentiation is 2x. So 2y into d by dx of your assumed one. Did you understand? One more basic example. If it is d by dx of x cube, how much you get? 3x square. If it is d by dx of y cube, how much do you get? You will assume it to be x, so it is 3y square into d by dx of your assumption. Why I told you these three examples? Because every time in the sum, while doing a sum, it will be difficult for me to write dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx. Instead, what will I be start writing from now onwards is dy by dx is nothing but y dash or f dash x. Clear? So mostly in your A level we will be going with only with y dash. One more time, dy by dx we will be writing by y dash. And in case if we get anywhere here d square y by dx square, we will be writing as y double dash from now onwards. Am I clear with this? Dy by dx is nothing but y dash. Remember it from now onwards. So let us look at this sum now. Find dy by dx for each of these functions. So this is the first one, this is this one. I want dy by dx. Directly y is not the subject for me to get dy by dx. So to get dy by dx, I need to apply d by dx on both sides. Clear? On this side d by dx of 10 is 0, so this we leave it. Now this gets applied to each of it. Fair enough. So let's apply. So it becomes d by dx of x cube plus 2 will be coming out into d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y cube. Am I clear with the first step? Now next. D by dx of x cube is 3x square plus 2 into. It's a product, so what should be applied? Product rule should be applied. So place a bracket. Now if I one at a time, product rule means, which you already know, plus x into d by dx of y plus. Now of y cube I don't have, so I assume it to be x. So x cube differentiation is 3x square. So here it is 3y square into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you have assumed, which is y equal to 0. Am I clear? Now 3x square as it is plus 2 into y, dx gone, plus x into. Here what is left? Dy by dx. So from now onwards, instead of writing dy by dx, I just write y dash. Easier. Every time dy by dx, this is easier. Okay. Plus 3y square into y dash equal to 0. Now in the question, what is he asking? Find y dash. I have y dash here. So if I make y dash the subject, my sum is done. So how do I make y dash the subject? Open the bracket, place all y dash terms one side. Let us see. Once you open the bracket, what do you get? 2x y dash plus 3y square into y dash equal to 0. So leave the y dash terms here, send all to the other side. So when they go to the other side, what do they become? Minus 3x square minus 2y. Clear? And from these two terms, make y dash common because you want to make y dash the subject. 2x plus 3y square. So to get y dash the subject, send the bracket to the other side. So minus 3x square minus 2y by 2x plus 3y square. Did you understand? I think in this example only you might have already understood, right? It was far more easier to put y dash in place of dy by dx. Every time dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx, dy by dx would have been a trouble for us. So once you have done the second step correctly, change. Don't write dy by dx again and again. Just put y dash. Am I clear? So this is the answer. Okay students, yeah, now look at second bit. So now for this one, even here I want dy by dx. So what is the first step? You differentiate on both sides. Clear? Yeah, next. This gets applied to this one and also to this one. So it becomes d by dx of x square y plus d by dx of y square equal to 5 will come out, d by dx of only on x. Clear? Now this is gone. Now here you catches, you should apply product rule students. So differentiate one at a time. So if it is y into d by dx of x square plus here directly y square you can't differentiate. If it is x square you can differentiate. So you will assume y to be x. So what is y square differentiation? 2y, x square differentiation 2x, right? So you get here 2y into d by dx of whatever you have assumed equal to 5. Am I clear? You assumed y to be x. So x square differentiation is 2x, so 2y into your assumed 1. So now it is y into d by dx of x square is 2x plus 2y. Again dy by dx is a hassle for me to write, so I go with y dash equal to 5. So now I want dy by dx which is y dash, so make y dash the subject. It's easy. First send this 2xy to the other side, then here 2y y dash, right? Send it also down. So this is my dy by dx. Am I clear students? Let us see this sum now. Find gradient of the curve x cube plus y cube equal to 4xy at the point 2, 2. Clear? So students, in AS level I have been telling you gradient means dy by dx. From this how can I get dy by dx? As I told you in the last sum, x cube plus y cube equal to 4xy, right? To get dy by dx you will differentiate on both sides. That is the first step. Clear enough? Next, this gets applied to this and also to this. So it becomes d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of y cube equal to, on this side how could you simplify? 4 will come out. So 4 into d by dx of xy. Clear? Now what is differentiation of x cube? 3x square. What is differentiation of y cube? So you will assume it to be x. So x cube differentiation is 3x square, so 3y square into d by dx of your assumption. Am I clear? Equal to 4 into. What is the catch here students? Product rule is the catch. So differentiate one at a time. D by dx of x plus x into dy by dx. Am I clear? So let us write. So it is 3x square plus 3y square a dot. I don't want to write dy by dx. Easier, y dash equal to 4 times of y plus x into y dash. Clear? Now I want dy by dx. At this point I want. So I need to make y dash the subject and then replace x by 2 and y also by 2. Instead of doing it at a later stage, I will do it now itself. I'll replace x by 2 plus 3 all into 2 square into y dash equal to 4 into 2 plus 2y dash. This makes our work lot more easier. So what do I get here? 4 into 3 is 12 plus 4 into 3 is 12. 12y dash equal to 4 into 2 is 8 plus 8y dash. So all y dash terms one side. So this comes here. How much do I get? Minus 4 plus 4y dash I get. And 12 goes that side. 8 minus 12 minus 4 I get. So y dash is nothing but minus 1. So this is my gradient. Am I clear, students? I think you might have understood. Dy by dx or y dash. Y dash wins. Now next one. Find coordinates of stationary points on the curve. Again the catch, stationary point means dy by dx equal to 0. If this is given, how do I get dy by dx? To get dy by dx, what do I need to do? Differentiate on both sides. Clear? Next step, this gets applied to each of it. So 3 will be out, d by dx of x square, plus 2 will be out, d by dx of xy, plus d by dx of y square equal to 0. Clear enough? Yeah, let us start. Now 3 into d by dx of x square differentiation is 2x plus 2 into, students catch, it's a UV rule should be applied because it's a product. So it becomes y into d by dx of x plus x into d by dx of y plus. Now here assume it to be x. So x square differentiation is 2x. So here 2y into d by dx of your assumption equal to 0. Am I clear, students? So what do I get? This and this gets cancelled. Now I want coordinates means value of x equal to how much, y equal to how much do I need. And what do I know? I know dy by dx equal to 0. So students, remember, smart. So what do I do is directly I will put in place of dy by dx 0. So here I will put 0. So this entire term is gone. 0 into anything 0. Same thing here I put 0. So this entire is gone. Clear? Yes. So what is remaining now? Here it is 6x plus 2y equal to 0 is remaining. Still I didn't get the value of x. I need to do further more. So what will I do? I make x the subject or y the subject? Y. So let's cancel 2, 3. So y equal to minus 3x. Now where will I use this to get the value of x? In earlier one. This was the given equation. So in this equation, if I replace y by minus 3x, then I get the value of x. So let us start. It becomes 3x square plus 2x into minus 3x plus y square is nothing but 9x square equal to 6. So here it is 3x square minus 6x square plus 9x square equal to 6. So how much will x value be? 6x square equal to 6. So x equal to plus or minus 1. So when x is 1, how much will I get y? Where will you substitute to get y, students? See in this box. So when x is 1, y is minus 3. When x is minus 1, how much will you get y to be? Plus 3. So these are the coordinates. Am I clear? If you don't replace it directly 0, it becomes more and more complicated. Clear, students? Thank you.